blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah.
How is all of that information going to fit in here?
I get up at 7. I go to school. I get home at 2:30. I have lunch and then I do my homework. I go to English class at 5 and to karate class at 7. I get back home at 9, I have dinner and then I go to bed. I'm a super kid with a super life.
Super life? That's not a life. It's just a super long list.
Today, but we had a test yesterday.
That was just the pre-test. I think this is the actual test.
No, this is a post-test of the pre-test. The actual test isn't until next week.
Excellent, Mary. However, you don't need to say dot at the end of each sentence.
Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. John Dewey.